Hello doctors, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Diksha. So today I am going to tell you about the free crash course which is available on Unacademy for microbiology and pathology. I have made this PDF to tell you about the crash course which is available on the app. So this is the screenshot I have taken from the app. At the end of the video I will show you from the app like how to search the videos. So this is for microbiology. Here you can see there are total 12 videos. These 12 videos of microbiology covers everything about the subject, the most important high yield points from microbiology. It covers the general bacteriology, virology and parasitology. And it also contains fungus. So everything about this topic, the most important high yield for the Fmge exam, everything is covered in all these 12 videos. So if you are someone who has not yet started microbiology, and it is a difficult subject because there is so many things to memorize in microbiology. So Preeti ma'am has explained in such a simple way that you no need to worry about the subject because everything is completed in this 12 videos. So अगर आपने अभी तक माइक्रोबायोलॉजी को नहीं पढ़ा है किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म से, you can blindly trust this crash course because I have did the same crash course. For me also microbiology was a difficult subject, but completing this crash course, now I am loving the subject. So if you have not touched microbiology, you can blindly go with the crash course. But अगर आपने microbiology किया है किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म से, so continue with what you have did, revise the same notes which are there with you. But if you have not done it yet, you can go for this crash course. So in this 12 videos everything is covered according to the topics. For parasitology I will tell you there are I guess 1 or 2 videos in the crash course, but after you complete the whole crash course you can go to the YouTube. On YouTube there are free videos for the life cycle of the parasites. There are around 11 videos. I will share the link of the life cycles in the description section. You can go and check it. So that are also very easily explained by ma'am. So that will cover your life cycles for parasitology. So there are 2 crash courses. One is the new one which is available, the new one, and one is the old one. So from the new one you do the general path and the systemic. I have written the numbers. The part 1 to 6 is of for general path, and for systemic it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And one more video we will see, that is 14, which I guess it has brain system, which is covered in that video. So total for systemic you have 8 videos. For general path you have 6. You have to do both general path and the systemic path from the new crash course. Like I will show you like how to search this at the end of the video. And from the old one I will ask you to do the hemat part, because in the new part I guess there is one video is less in that. In the old one I have given you the numbers from 21 to 25. Like there are total 5 videos for hemat. Everything is covered along with the platelet disease, the lymphomas, the leukemias, anemia, everything about hemat is covered. So you can go for the old crash course for the hematology. I will show you at the end of the video where to search this new and old crash course. Okay, so these are the 2 crash course which are available free on the app. As I said you, for microbiology I will say the same thing for pathology. अगर आप कोई ऐसे स्टूडेंट हो जिन्होंने अब तक पैथोलॉजी को टच नहीं किया है, या फिर you are not getting the confidence in the subject, I will tell you to go with this crash course. Everything important for FMG is covered in this crash course. And one more thing, in दोनों crash course में along with the theory part, ma'am has also covered the MCQ. Like for each topic, she has taken the similar clinical based MCQs like which are asked in FMG exam, and I have seen the similar type of questions in the FMG 2023 Jan exam. That's why I am telling you to go for this crash course. If you have not done micro patho from any other platform, if you have done it, stick with your notes and just revise your notes. So this is the app, an academy. You have to search for Preeti Sharma ma'am, and after clicking you will see here the free classes which are available. Just go for all free classes, then you have to just scroll down. So yes, this is the crash course for pathology, the new one which I have said you have to follow for the general pathology and systemic pathology from 1 to 14. Okay, and for the hemat part, it is little down, so you have to just keep on scrolling. So yes, this is the second crash course which I was telling you. Here you can see 24-25. So the last, like from 21 to 25, you have to do from the old crash course which is available here. So go for this old 21 to 25 videos for the hematology part. And then here you can see the microbiology crash course. These are the 12 videos, like total they are 12. So you can find this on the app. So this was the crash course which I wanted to share with you all, because micro and pathology, they are subjects which are easy and they will give you maximum marks. These are the subjects which when I checked the recall after coming from the exam, and I got at least 95% of the question right from both the subject. So that's why I'm telling you to trust this crash course. But one thing you should do, that while solving the MCQs, you will solve the MCQs like whichever book or platform you have. You will solve the entire MCQ series for both the subjects, and if you get some points like which are not there in the notes of this crash course, so you can just add on that points. And don't forget to do the PYQs of both the subject. Last 5 years PYQs compulsory for every subject. And if in the PYQs also you will get some topics which are not there in the crash course, not mostly, but there will be few here and there topics which will be like little different, so you can add those topics in your notes. I hope this crash course will help you to cover both the subjects if you have not touched it yet. But again I will repeat, if you have done it from any other source, just stick to your source, don't change it, keep on revising the notes which are there with you, don't change your resource at this time. And at last I wanted to share with you this book. Like I said about this book in my last video also, it is nothing but a planner, a daily book planner which I used to go at night. I have just written my each day, everyday goal, or you can say everyday target in this book according to the dates, the timings, everything. And the reason I am telling you to do this is, when you complete your small targets each day, and when at night when you give this tick, it will give you motivation, it will keep you going, it will boost your confidence, because you are doing something every day, and that will keep you motivated the next day. So that is the reason I'm telling you to do this. So I hope this video will help you. Just keep on believing in yourself, and yes, all the best.